even at the big events too, the meetups are where everything's at.
Yeah,
I
for sure.
remember I went to another one you might actually check out. I've gone the last 2 years, NAB show, NAB show. Uh,
Yeah.
they have it in New York, but I think the biggest one is like the actual bread and butter. But they have a content creator area as well, and a lot of filmmakers go out there and stuff like that. And so there's a lot of YouTubers who do film and they talk about the equipment. So I met a lot of them, but it was or people who talk about like Insta360 and DJI and those like more
Yeah.
gimbal cameras. But it's really interesting going in there, and it was a networking event at one of the resorts, and I just remember showing up, and it was about 50 to 100 people, and I just met so many cool people. I had no idea who a lot of these people were, and they're like pretty huge YouTubers in some ways, or huge filmmakers, or like people who worked in that space in LA quite a bit. And
Yep.
then at VidSummit this year too, I went to another meetup, and I was able to meet like some big YouTubers again. And you just never know. Like it doesn't really matter about the size, but that is
Yeah.
just like it's so crazy how you just talking to someone, having a conversation, they have like a million subscribers. You're like,
Yeah.
what?
Yep. Yeah. That's fun.